Forget it. Somebody else can save this town for a change.
Isn't there someone who can save us?
I'm not listening.
What was that?
These special effects are awesome.
There's something going on.
Kids and their crazy rock music.
You'll never stop me now, robot girl!
Popcorn?
What are you doing just sitting here? Use that robot action mode of yours.
I didn't want to ruin our date.
But people are in danger.
You're right. I'll be back as soon as I can.
Look, honey, we done moved.
Ow! Gotcha! Whoa! Oh, no, you don't!
You realize I cannot let you win. This is a fight to the finish between two worthy
I am not in the mood, lousy amateur. You ruined my one chance at happiness with a great guy. A guy who's scared of machines. And I'm a machine. And it was doomed from the start. Travis, we have to talk.
You're darn right we do. How dare you risk people's lives to keep a stinking date? I was just getting used to being with a robot, but I can never get used to being with someone so selfish. Goodbye.
I'm never gonna find a boyfriend.
It just wasn't meant to be with Travis. But more importantly, I think you've learned a valuable lesson today. Always be yourself. You're special just the way you are. It's important to stay true to yourself and
Save it, Beanpole. Who are you, my mother?
you should be proud